Welcome to Soil Smarts Video 1, Background on Background. DTSC has created this educational series about the soil cleanup of chemicals to local background levels at NASA and DOE areas at the Santa Susana Field Laboratory. These videos are part of a package of materials to help inform the public about the challenges related to ensuring completion of cleanups. You can access the entire series on our website. In this video, we will be discussing the 2011 DTSC Chemical Background Study. The results from this study were used to propose cleanup goals representative of local background levels in the DOE and NASA areas at Santa Susana. The chemical background reference locations were identified with public involvement. Residents were able to walk the reference location sites and were present for the soil sampling. There were requirements for selecting these locations. They needed to be in the same geologic formation as Santa Susana, unaffected by possible airborne impacts of the site, have a similar fire history, and be untouched by human activities. There were two chemical background reference locations that met these required standards: China Flat and Wood Ranch. The soils from these locations represent the background standard we are looking to achieve with the NASA and DOE soil cleanups. Background levels are defined as chemical concentrations in soil that are not influenced by activities at the site. DTSC tested soils for 111 chemicals commonly found in background soils, including metals and pesticides. 295 soil samples were collected from the reference locations, a remarkable number of samples for a site-specific background study. For comparison, there are typically 8 to 10 soil samples collected for establishing background in most sites in California. Those samples are commonly only tested for a few chemicals, such as arsenic and lead. In most cleanups, soils are only removed if those background chemical concentrations are above risk-based values. For more information on how the background cleanup at SSFL differs from our typical site cleanups, see Soil Smarts video number 3, Digging into Soil Cleanup, a Comparative Approach. The results from the DTSC Chemical Background Study were used to establish what are commonly referred to as the lookup table. The lookup table values are meant to represent local background levels unaffected by Santa Susana. For more information on the lookup table, please see the Soil Smarts video 2, Cookies and Cleanup. DTSC is committed to a cleanup to local background levels for all chemicals evaluated in the study. The purpose of the work presented in the Learning series is to engage the public on the challenges and get shovels in the ground to begin this historic background cleanup at SSFL. The full workshop presentation that brings all of these concepts together is available on our website if you'd like to learn more. Additionally, we recommend you review the companion Soil Smarts Fact Sheet number 1, Background on Background, and the associated frequently asked questions. If you have any questions, please reach out to the team using Stream, the SSFL tool for response, engagement, and answer management. Thank you for watching this video.